In the name of Allah, the most merciful and the most beneficent. Hello everyone, welcome to Mathematics Basic to Advanced level. In this lecture, I will solve Pakistan Public Service Commission 2020 MCQs, that is a square unitary matrix with the real entry is solution, that is definition of unitary matrix. A complex matrix A is unitary if A H is equal to A inverse, that is if A power H is equal to AH, A is equal to identity. Thus A must necessarily be square and invertible. If the entries are equal, then A power H is equal to A transpose, so the definitions will become A transpose is equal to A transpose, A is equal to identity. This also implies the definition of normal matrix, that is A transpose is equal to A transpose A. So option D is correct, both A and B, that is orthogonal and normal, which is the required solution. If you like my lecture, then please subscribe, share, like and press bell icon for latest update on my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching my YouTube lecture. Okay, Allah Hafiz.